Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a try-on like makeup tutorial using the March Boxycharm box. I have it all right here. I did open it and look at some of the items, so that's why I said, you know what, I just wanted to film this video today. If I sound a little stuffy, I am trying to get over a sinus infection, but I had to go ahead and record for you guys. So nevertheless, I'm excited to try these products out, and let's see how these products will work out for this Boxycharm month of March. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for more Boxycharm unboxings or try-ons or makeup looks. Give this video a thumbs up for that. And also turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss an upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription box. It has between 4 to 5 full-size items in it per month, and they do take that $21 out of your account, so you don't have to worry about remembering to pay it. Just make sure the money is in your account. But it's an awesome subscription because you never know what makeup products you're going to get or skincare items that you're going to get. Each month gives you a card like this, and for this particular month it is called Vacation because we are coming up on spring, and the card is so cute. On the back of the card it gives all of the items, so I'll be telling you how much the item is and what that product does, and all of the goodies are inside of this box. So let's dig in. Alright, so there's one skincare type of item in here. It's called South Main, that looks like this. They are the 3 eye gel packs that reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye, and it looks like this. These retail for $10, and they, like I said, they're the South Main Beauty. Alright, and now that I have them both on, since it says to wear them for about 30 minutes, I'm going to keep them on. Let me bring them down. So I'm going to keep them on, and we're going to go through the rest of the box. The next thing I see in here is this Pretty Vulgar blush that looks like this, and it is retailed for $26. Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. It is a silky smooth formula, is long wearing and highly pigmented. When I saw this color, this is in the color 111 Prim Vixen. I was a bit like, oh my gosh, I don't know if this would look right on my skin tone per se. But this color would definitely work for a darker skin tone, I think so. If you get this in your box and you don't want to use it as a blush, you can use it as an eyeshadow. So that's really cute. I'm not going to swatch this or anything because I think I'm going to put this with the rest of my giveaway items that I'm going to be doing soon. So that is that. Next thing I see in here is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Voluminizing Mascara. Can't talk today. And it is in the color black. And it looks like that. Now this mascara retails for $20. This is the wand on here. So we will test that out today. I love mascara, so I tried different mascaras. Another item I see in here is a little 3-step brush set. This is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. And it has step 1 for the money, step 2 for the show, step 3 go girl. The little sayings are really, really cute. This Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set retails for $23.15. You can never have too many eye brushes. I need to clean my brushes, so I'm excited to try these out. So we're going to be using these in this video today once we get to the exciting part of this whole box, which is a Boxycharm and Pure has collaborated to create this beautiful palette. This is what the palette looks like. And Pure actually has some really awesome eyeshadows, guys. So if you ever checked out their eyeshadows, let me know down below. And if you haven't, you need to get your hands on it because they are actually cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, vegan-friendly, and that's the majority of their eyeshadows. I know this one is stating that right now. So, and this is what the colors look like. I'm gonna fold this back so you guys can see it. But the colors are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we're going to be using this palette today and testing everything out. So that is all the items I received in my Boxycharm box. Let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. I'm going to start off by using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer on my eye as my eyeshadow base. gonna set that with my favorite Airspun translucent powder. Alright, now to the eyeshadow. So the first color that I see that I'm going to use in this palette is going to be this color here in Perfect. And I'm going to use that all over the lid as well. Going in with a fluffy brush, my MAC 224 brush. And I'm going to just tap that color and dust that all over the lid. Right on top of that Airspun powder. The next color I'm going to take is Nike, this peachy color, and put that in the crease. I think that's all I'm going to take from this palette. To give it a bit more orange, I'm going to go into my Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze Eye Palette. These under eye pads are really cooling. I'm gonna go into this orange color here, not brown, I said brown. This orange color and tap that right on top of that Nike color. So a little trick I'm gonna try before we put this pink on. I'm gonna take a liquid lipstick. I've never done this before, but I've seen a hack on it, and this is like a beauty hack if you want the matte bright colors like pinks and yellows and greens to pop a bit more. If the concealer doesn't work, then try using a liquid lipstick. I'm going to be taking the Cocoa by BHCOSMETICS in the color Ochre, and I'm going to just put this on my eye. So we're going to just a little on the eye. But with liquid lipsticks, some of them you may have to move a bit fast. But we're not going to take it up to the crease, just on the lid. So back to the palette, taking this pink color in BFF. I'm going to put that right on top of that liquid lipstick that I use. Tapping that on, not like brushing it on, just tapping it on. And now I'm going to take a more crease brush, which is by the Morphe M433, and I'm going to go right back into Nike and just blend that out so it won't be too harsh. Alright, so that's basically all I'm going to do to the eyes. What I'm going to do is take this off. It hasn't been, I don't know if it's been 30 minutes yet, but time to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with the Bella Pierre Cosmetic Volumizing Mascara that came in the box and go ahead and coat my lashes. This definitely did a little something to my eyelashes, but with a look like this, I definitely want to up this look with some falsies. So I'm going to go ahead and do my falsies and moisturize my face and prime it, and we'll be right back to do the rest of the face. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyelashes, do a little bit of color correcting under the eye and on my chin. And I just use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange Corrector to color correct. My primer was the Hangover primer by Too Faced. And now I'm going to go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I'm still working on my little trial size. I like the foundation because it is a lightweight foundation, and it's an everyday foundation too. So I'm going to go ahead and probably purchase the full size. But I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge for that. Going in with my Tarte concealer, the Shape Tape, and I'm in the color medium. A contour with my favorite contour stick by Clinique for now, in the color Curvy Contour, the little chubby stick. And now we're going to go back to the bottom of the eye. We're going to go back into the pink, but I'm also going to mix this duet brown color to give it a little smokiness on the bottom. Sorry you guys, so my camera died, but I went into my waterline with the IT Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and then on the lips I did a combination of the ITSMYRAYERAYE and BHCOSMETICS liquid lipstick along with Bare Minerals and Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in Boss and the Too Faced Melted Matte and Naughty by Nature. So I did a little combo to get this lip for this look, and I hope that I was able to show you guys this look on the other clips, but nevertheless, this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up for more Boxycharm unboxings and makeup tutorials. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. And turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.